Good afternoon, everybody. This is Aylin from KoçSistem. Today, I would like to present project PARS, which is about combining solar energy into agricultural process. Please, next slide. Thank you. Okay, a quick cap for my organization. KoçSistem belongs to a group of companies of Koç Holding, which is Fortune 5 global listed, and it's a leading technology company in Turkey that provides end-to-end solutions, and also in software domain, the first R&D center. Please go next slide. Okay, our teaser is about we need to base our R&D efforts on a domain problem. In recent years, we see that demand for energy in rural areas is growing. Also, we have land scarcity, which means arable land is decreasing every year. So here there's a trend regarding the dual use of land for the harvesting of solar electricity and farming on the same land. It has enormous potential also for the climate zones. While doing this, we need to address issues in energy transition. We wish to support rural development and lower down the technology barriers for the people on the field. While doing this, support the community resilience, of course, address the issues with the agricultural productivity. Next slide, please. Let's have a look into detail. Okay, the proposal has two pillars. The first pillar is about the agrivoltaics for penumbra plants. The shade management for some plants is critically important, which affects the crop productivity. Also, since we install these photovoltaic cells on the top of the farming land, there will be a huge amount of electricity produced, and we need to transfer this power into any farming equipment and agricultural robots in the field, because this is about technology controlled farming. So it will be about creation of a photovoltaic agricultural Internet of Things, or let's say simply Web of Things. So two major pillars is agrivoltaics for penumbra plants and the Internet of Things. Please go next slide. What do we expect out of this project? Effective dissemination of dual land use systems. We wish to create a crop spectral library according to which photovoltaic design, what kind of crops can be best put into the process, crop classification and the growth status monitoring, as well as the quantity of the harvested produce per unit area. This shading mechanism also affects the optimal photosynthesis and transpiration. We would like to conduct advanced analytics in this domain as well, to the related to the physiological activities regarding carbon dioxide uptake and water loss. Of course, transferring this renewable power into any device which needs sustainable energy. Please go next slide. We have broken down the research problems regarding these domains. I would like to discuss this in our brainstorming session. Please check this at the end of the presentation. The impact is huge. Enhance agricultural productivity with optimal microclimate, as well as to enable use of water pumps where the water network is not available. Of course, there will be huge energy cost saving. We will be able to reach multiple harvests and extended seasons. We will be able to mitigate climate stress, as of course dissemination of renewable energy sources will be strengthened with this project outputs. So these are all I can say with the project idea. We wish to build energy communities for agriculture in the future for international community. Please go next slide. If you are ever interested in joining this idea, who has especially expertise in renewable energy engineering, agricultural engineering, IoT sensor integration, and so on, please contact me. We can build a common R&D roadmap together. In Turkey, Middle East Technical University Center for Solar Energy Research is interested, and actually the original idea comes from them. Innovitas, which is a company, Energy IoT, and Tatkıda, world's fourth tomato producer. Also some R&D companies in Turkey are interested and have already joined the idea. So I would like to thank you for your attention. If you have any questions for now, I can get back to you, or we can discuss in the brainstorming session. This is my contact information. And thank you very much for providing this opportunity.